everyone. In today's video, we'll be talking about the segmentation settings that is available under the pre-segmentation of the audience and the traffic tab. So, under the segmentation settings, you are going to find a couple of options here. So, the first option that you're going to find is the check targeting conditions for a visitor. This settings would be enabled when you use the custom segment section. So the first option checks targeting condition for a visitor. Let's see how this works. By default, the option would be set to once. Suppose let's say I use a custom segment filter where I'm targeting people that are coming to my website from only California to be included in this test. So when a visitor comes to my website from California, VWO will check if the visitor is eligible to become a part of that campaign. If he qualifies for the location preference, he'll be bucketed in the A/B test. Now, if the same visitor has flown from California to Hawaii and he comes back to the website, he or she would still be able to become a part of the campaign and see the changes. This is because VW checks the targeting condition only once for a visitor. If you select every time, then every single time a visitor comes to the website, VW will ensure that the targeting conditions are checked every single time, and only then the visitors would be included in the campaign. The next option is make modifiable elements visible when. Whenever you make any changes within a test, VW generates a jQuery for your changes. Now these changes get executed when the campaign loads. You can decide when you want to make the modifiable elements visible. You can choose to show these changes when the HTML loads on your visitor's end. Or if you want these changes that you made in the campaign to be displayed to your visitors, let's say on a custom condition like when they hover over certain links or when they open a certain pop-up. Then we also have the custom event option where you can add your own JavaScript here and you can decide when to execute the trigger. This way, the modifiable elements would only be visible when the method is called. The final option is always. So this option will ensure that the elements are never hidden and the changes would be visible when the campaign is executed. So this might ensure that there's a slight flicker when the variation is loaded on your visitor's end. So you can go ahead and choose any one of the options according to your preference. Thank you so much for watching.